Yo, what's up everyone? This is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Kotobukiya, which came from the anime series Neon Genesis Evangelion. So, Evangelion fans out there, shout out to you, and this video unboxing is for you guys. If you're an Evangelion fan, you better watch this and let's enjoy unboxing this kit here. So I have here the Evangelion Test Type 01 with the Spear of Cassius. So this is, I think this is a movie from Evangelion Thrice Upon a Time, and I bought this kit for 1,500 pesos only, although other sellers sell this around 3,000, 4,000, but the seller from Davao City, who is Hobbynat's hobby shop, sold it to me at a lower price, affordable price. To be honest, I don't like buying Evangelion kits, but I was frustrated with the less industrial Chinese model, the metal build version, plastic model of Type 01, because it's garbage, to be honest. Don't buy that kit. The joints are really tight, and the pegs, you need to sand most of the pegs, although I built it completely, but the experience is not that it's not that good for a beginner modeler, and the kit, it's really garbage. But I trust this Kotobukiya because I've been building so much Kotobukiya kits recently, and just built the 02 type of this, so that's good. That's a good experience, and that's a good kit, to be honest. So let's try to build this kit here, the Type 01, and let's see what's inside. Let's check this kit out. Fangen wir an, los geht's. This is the Type 1 or Type 01 Evangelion, and it's not a big kit. It has a smaller box. To be honest, the box is just like a size of a high-grade model kit Gundam from Bandai. So I was surprised that based on the review, it's a 19 centimeter, around 19 centimeter tall kit, but the box is not that big. So let's look at the box here. We can see the license sticker, approval sticker from the Studio Gainax, and there we can see the Evangelion Unit-01 wielding the Spear of Cassius, and there in the side of the box we can see the front view, the rear view, and the action pose if the Evangelion unit will hold the spear. And we got some accessories here aside from the interchangeable hand sets. We have the knife, the pallet rifle, and the power cord that will be attached in the back of the kit. And we got this gimmick here where we can see the plug where Shinji is piloting the Evangelion, and the mouth of this kit can open like this, so it has an articulation on the jaws. Then here on the other side we can see the model kit wielding the Spear of Cassius, and explanations here written in Japanese, but I cannot read it, obviously. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, which looks like a top secret file, and there it has a top secret stamp, and can read here, Evangelion test type 01 with Spear of Cassius. And there in the first part, we can see some color printouts for this manual. There we can see Shinji, the main character and the pilot of this model. Then you can see the parts list. The parts is not that much. You can see a lesser amount of parts there. So I think this is not a hard build to have, because this is, to be honest, a little kit or an average size kit. To be honest, Evangelions are big, but Kotobukiya and Modoroid release the models, this kind of models, in a shorter fashion. So we have here the black and white print out for this kit. So yep, judging the way how this kit is assembled is so much easy than this is type 02. So this is a straight build. I can finish it within 1 hour or 2 hours. So there are the color guides here. We can see mostly purple and green and black color scheme. And there's this guideline if you want to paint the kit by yourself. Okay, so let's go to the parts. So we got here black parts for the joints. We got green parts for armor pieces, purple parts, and we got purple parts with the pre-painted green part there, yellow parts, gray parts, and some black parts there. This part is for the pallet gun, and there's the knife there. And we got black parts and purple parts here for the armor pieces and inner frame. We got this maroon colored or brownish red colored Spear of Cassius. It's very nice. It's nicely molded, injection molded. We got so much interchangeable hand sets here. So most of the runners here are made just for the hands of the Evangelion. Then we got this black parts for the forearms and green parts for the armor pieces. Then we got this pre-painted small parts here for the eyes, and this one for the chin, I think. The power plug capsule. Got this hand parts again for, I think this one for the whole Spear of Cassius holding hands. And we got pre-painted green parts here and pre-painted yellow parts. Then we got polycaps. And finally, we got this cord, this rubber cord that will be attached at the back of the Eva kit, and this water slide decals for the arm. So we got a small amount of water slide decals, which is very nice. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build this Evangelion kit here. Let's start with the green runners here. We got runner H. These are ABS plastic here. And we got runner J for this green runners. For the yellow runners, we got runner L and another, I don't know, it's runner M and runner L, but I wonder why this part here are knocked off. Anyway, let's check later. We got this indigo runner here, which is runner N. We got purple runner, runner B. We got runner C with pre-painted part there. We got runner A for the extremities. These are the limbs, limb armor. We got black runner here for the armor or the inner frame, which is runner E. Then for the forearms, runner F. And mostly there are small parts for this kit, so be careful when cutting this, especially the small parts are majority black color, so if you lose it in the dark, it will be sapped into a black hole. So there we got runner G for this small black parts here. Then this is what I don't like here, the big sets of manipulators. These are purple hands, runner D, and this one for the spear holding hand, runner P. And I decided to buy Italian hands as a replacement for this crappy interchangeable hands, because I really don't like this kind of hands, to be honest. I might throw this off. And there we got this spear of Cassius. This is runner Q. And we got polycaps, black polycaps. And we got runner I here for this grayish or silver, metallic silver or metallic gray colored parts. And we got this light gray parts here, which, to be honest, this looks garbage because of this pallet here, this pallet rifle. It's only a one piece of plastic, and to be honest, I really don't like this kind of gun design, because it's like a slab of plastic to me. I might change the weapon of this kit, but of course this is a spear of Cassius type of Eva, so I will not use these weapons anymore. And we got this pre-painted small parts here for the eyes, for the mouth, and this runner here for the entry plug for Shinji. And there we got pre-painted green parts here and also yellow parts. So I think this yellow, this pre-painted yellow, comes with that runner which has a dislodge point. And there we got this water slide decals. Here you can see Eva test, Eva 01 test type, and we got this cord here, power cord. So let's get this cord, and it's like a hollow cord. Yep, it's a long cord to be attached to the power. It's like the umbilical cord, but instead on the front, it's on the back. Okay. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying Thank you very much for watching this unboxing of Kotobukiya model kit. And see you next time on the review. And goodbye. God bless and take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Masalama. Paalam sa inyong lahat. Adios.